Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to export designs as PNG or JPG in Snappa. Log into your Snappa account and go to your dashboard. Select the design you want to export by clicking on it to open on the editor. On the top right corner of the editor, click on Download button. This will open the drop-down menu with different export options. From the drop-down menu, select PNG or JPG depending on your preferences. PNG is ideal for high-quality images with transparent background. JPG is generally smaller in file size, making it suitable for web use, where transparency isn't needed. After selecting your format, Snappa will proceed to download. Your file will be saved on your computer, usually on the Downloads folder, unless you have to set a different location. Now your design is ready to be used as a PNG or JPG file. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.